In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly recolor a template in Canva. By the end, you'll know the fastest way to apply your brand colors across an entire design and how to swap a specific color everywhere in just a couple of clicks. First, open your template. If you're starting from a template preview, click Use this template. If you already saved a design, open it from your Canva dashboard. Give the page a moment to load so all elements are selectable and the toolbar appears across the top. This ensures that when you make color changes, everything updates smoothly. Now for the quickest method to recolor your whole design at once. Look to the left sidebar and click Styles. On some layouts, you may see Design first. If so, click Design, then choose Styles. Here, you'll find your brand kit colors if you've set one up, along with preset palettes. Click your brand kit colors, and Canva will instantly apply them throughout the design. This is a great way to bring a mismatched template in line with your brand in seconds. If your design has multiple pages, flip through them to preview the results. Note that this feature focuses on editable elements like shapes, text, and icons. Photographs or complex images may not change because they're not simple color fills. If you need more control, you can change a specific color everywhere it appears. Start by clicking any element or shape that currently uses the color you want to replace. With that element selected, look at the top toolbar and click the color circle. This opens the color panel. Choose your new shade from your brand colors, one of Canva's defaults, or paste a hex code if you have an exact value. After you pick the color, watch for a prompt that says Change All or Apply to All Pages. Click it to replace that exact color across the entire template automatically. This is especially helpful for cleaning up secondary accents, switching background blocks, or aligning button colors across multiple pages without editing each one manually. If you don't see the Change All option, it may mean the color varies slightly between elements, or the element is part of an image rather than a shape. In that case, repeat the process for the other shade you want to replace. You can always use Undo if you want to compare before and after. That's it. Open your template, try Styles to apply your brand kit instantly, and use the color circle plus Change All to swap any specific hue everywhere. Enjoy designing with speed and consistency.